सो फर्स्ट वन जो सबसे ज़्यादा गूगल्ड है कि क्या सिर्फ स्मोकर्स को लंग कैंसर होता है?
नहीं, सिर्फ स्मोकर्स को लंग कैंसर नहीं होता है, बी विजिलेंट।
फिर एक कफ लास्टिंग मोर देन 3 weeks शुड ऑलवेज बी चेक्ड।
Ideally, yes. The reason being, any long-lasting symptom should warrant a good detailed thorough evaluation by a specialist.
लंग कैंसर इज ऑलवेज फेटल।
Lung cancer is curable.
इफ आई डोंट हैव पेन कांट बी सीरियस।
Pain is not the most common symptom of lung cancer, so pain will be the one of the last symptoms to come for lung cancer.
लंग कैंसर कांट हैपन टू यंग पीपल।
We do see some young patients, unfortunately, across it.
So can stress cause lung cancer?
I do not know about it, but stress has kind of an indirect impact on the body and the system, and I will explain you how stress can put you at certain risk.
You can't treat lung cancer if it's advanced.
Lung cancer is treatable in the advanced stage also. As we discussed, lung cancer may not be curable in the advanced stage, but it is treatable.
Surgery is the only way to treat lung cancer.
Not at all in all the patients, I would say. Early stages, yes, maybe stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 3 in patients where we do downstage the patient and then operate the patient. But as we mentioned, surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, targeted therapy, immunotherapy. So these are all big spectrum of treatments what
Okay.
currently we are operating as far as lung cancer is concerned.
So all lung cancers are the same.
Lung cancer has various types because every lung cancer has a different set of genetics.
Second last question. Lung cancer spreads fast and nothing can be done.
Lung cancer can spread fast, but it's not a rule as such.
Lung cancer can be transmitted from one person to another.
Not really. I'm sure you know that.
Yeah.